Hello students, welcome to my channel. It's maths time. Solving quadratic equations by three methods. First is factorization method that we have done in our previous video. Today my topic is about completing square method, and in my upcoming video I am going to explain quadratic formula, right? So completing square method is our today's topic. Let's see how to do this. For completing square method, you should know two formulas, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now I am doing a question here by this formula. My question is Lx squared plus mx plus n is equals to 0, where L cannot be equals to 0. First step is to see the signs of your question. My all signs are positive, it means I will use this formula, a plus b whole square. So in the next step, you have to make your coefficient of x square equals to 1. How it becomes 1? When I dividing whole equation by L. So L by L x square plus m by L x plus n by L equals to 0. L is cancelled out. Now my coefficient of x square is 1. M by L x plus n by L equals to 0. In the next step, you will write adding and subtracting and leave the bracket. Okay, what you have to add or subtract we will see later on. Till here just leave the bracket empty. In the next step, a square plus 2ab plus, now I am adding and subtracting, adding and subtracting. Take this constant term to your right hand side. Here it is positive, when it goes there it becomes negative, right? Now what you have to write here, listen very carefully. In the previous step, I have x square. So what should be my a? A should be x. 2ab, a is x. What should be my b? Here I have term m by L, right? It means m by L 2ab. I have to select the step here. When I cancel out or I simplify it, I should came back to my previous step. If I multiply 2x m by L, here there is no 2, it means that this 2 is extra here. So I am multiplying it, I have to divide it also. Now see, when I cancel this 2 with this 2, I again have m by Lx. I hope it's clear now. And this is my b now, so I am adding and subtracting. Now you know that what is your b, so you can write here adding and subtracting m by 2l, right? From here till here my formula is being closed. You will write a plus b, value of b is m by 2l whole square. Take this term to your right hand side, it becomes my is equals to, when you go it goes there, it becomes m square by 4l square. How? When you open it, m square, 2l square is 4l square when you open the square, minus n by l. Okay, I am doing remaining part here. X plus m by 2l whole square remains the same. Here you will take LCM. On your right hand side it becomes 4l square, m square same, minus L is there. When you divide 4L square by L, it becomes 4Ln. I hope you can take the LCM. In the next step, taking square root on both sides. When you take square root on both sides, it becomes x plus m by 2l whole square is equals to m square minus 4ln by 4l square. You know, square root opens in plus and minus sign. This is cancel out with this, so you are left with x plus m by 2l is equals to, in your numerator it will remain the same, and denominator 4l square is the, I'm doing it here so it becomes clear, 4l square you can write 2l. L is cancel out and square root of 4 is equals to 2. So here you will write 2l. Take this term to your right hand side. It becomes, here it is positive, and it goes there, it becomes negative minus m by 2l plus minus m square minus 4ln by 2l. X is equals to minus m plus minus m square minus 4ln by 2l. So this is your completing square method, and you can also compare it with the quadratic formula. Actually it is quadratic formula. That we will do it in the next video, and till then please keep doing practice and do other questions as well. Goodbye.